What's up, K&J family? Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are on a road trip. Where are we going?
We're not on a road trip. We're just on a trip.
We're going on a little road trip because it's pretty far away.
It's not far.
It's 30 minutes.
It's not far.
It's a road trip.
It's not far.
Yes, it is.
No, it's 29 minutes.
Anyway, 9 minutes.
29.
29 minutes. Yeah, it's 30 minutes away. Okay.
It's not that far.
Where are we going?
We are going to a rio, on a waterfall.
We're going
it has a waterfall. That rio has a waterfall.
We're going to a waterfall.
It's a rio.
Yeah.
It's a rio. It's a little river.
It's a little tiny waterfall.
River. It's a little river. Pero esta gente no sabe guiar.
So yeah, we'll see you guys there. We're gonna get some gas.
Gasolina. Más gasolina.
So guys, unfortunately, the waterfalls are closed.
Well, it's not closed. The parking is closed. But if we want to get there, we have to walk out.
So guess what? The waterfalls, they're not closed, but the parking lot is. So we're just gonna walk there and see.
We're just gonna walk it all the way down there.
Yeah, we're gonna walk the whole mile, guys. So
it's not a mile.
And what is it?
It's not a mile.
A quarter of a mile.
Yes.
I'm not good with my numbers, guys.
Dude, you're bad with everything.
So yeah, we're gonna walk there.
So yeah, we're gonna take you on a road trip, well, on a hiking trip, cause you know, we got book bags. She got her bulto.
Yeah, I got my personal bag.
And then those are our friends over there.
It's like a little couples thing because there's like a few couples.
There's all of them right there. Look at them.
We brought them here, guys. They don't
Yeah, for the first time. Look at them right there. Mira, saluden.
They're talking to the...
Brian, haz tu grito de llamada al grupo.
They're all making up their emergency calls. If you hear the bird and monkey sounds.
Pero Brian, haz el tuyo bien.
Let's see how this turns out, guys. Are we gonna take an eating break or what?
Cómete lo que yo no lo quiero.
We're gonna eat KFC on the way.
¿Quién come cosla? ¿Tú comes cosla? Brian, ¿tú comes cosla? No, pero como tú. No, ¿alguien come
They're
cosla?
taking a break.
Déjame que yo me lo lleve.
Mira, ¿ustedes comen cosla? No. ¿Nadie come cosla? Ok, gracias.
Ah, pero tú te lo comes completo tú solo.
Dame una cuchara.
We found water. Barely. I don't like a coleslaw like that. We're not gonna die of thirst.
Ya llegamos, ya fuimos, ya vámonos. ¿Y la basura? ¿De qué?
Encontramos las cosas.
Mira, si llamemos bro.
Ya tenemos a Tarzan por allá. A Diego the Explorer aquí.
Sí, mira, vamos de cabeza para arriba, te lo dije.
Allá tenemos a, ¿cómo se llama? Maui. Se le perdió la Ocean.
Dame las manos. No, hold this. Ahora you can.
And wash your hands.
Dale, no te aguanta.
Yeah, it's hard.
It's
Look.
really steady.
Dale.
It don't feel steady, but it's good.
It's hugged to nature. Diego the Explorer found his habitat.
It's the dumbest monkey. The rarest species.
Is that a what?
It's the dumbest monkey.
The rarest species.
We can see it right on the tree. Macumba.
We're here. We're finally here.
About time.
We found some water. Again.
some source of agua. Agua de Rio.
Look at them hiking down. We've been hiking all the way up, and now we're going down.
Mírate que si te falta un firme giro.
¿Qué le dije? I got my bathing suit on, finally.
El que inventó este río. Vamos a darle pucho así.
Tapos.
Para Instagram.
Oh no.
¿Está buena?
Babe, climb that so they can see you.
I'll be back. Mira, vamos para abajo, Yuri. Vente, allá abajo. Yuri. Tírate.
Ahora te tira, ¿no? No te tires.
Mira, yo me tiro. Yo me tiro.
We got the squad. Let's see if I can get closer.
Cuidado. Sí, un poquito.
Si yo voy ahí.
Sí. No, 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 no. I mean, no, va a estar bien. Sí, va a estar bien. Look at this dude. Looking like a little monkey. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
No voy a brincar.
Coño, yo soy fuertito, pero no para tanto. Tengo 2 pesos aquí, tengo este aquí. Y eres 1,5 todavía de fuerza.
Are you surfboarding? Parece que estás surfboarding.
Es que se cayó el palo, cabrón. El palo que está caído se va a caer.
Oh my god.
Yo voy a sacar los pies para acá porque me va a caer. Me va a caer.
Dame break. Dame break, dame break. Sonrían.
Cheese. Wait, right here? Okay. Okay, porque no quiere sacar. Okay.
Espérate, espérate. 1, 2 y... Costilla.
No, pero para que te
So why are we leaving? Are we leaving?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's raining?
No, it's not raining. Is it? I don't know.
It's only raining a little bit.
I don't want to get the lens wet.
We're almost gonna head out now.
We are gonna head out now. Let's go.
This is what we're dealing with.
No, desde luego, 3 minutos el novio de que fue.
Ya llevamos 20 minutos caminando.
Finally, a car arrived.
We gotta walk back. Me and you.
I'm pretty sure they're coming now because they all went in the same.
A menos que esto no cogieron.
They're coming right now. They're bulto.
He's like the bag.
Like if it's not already soaked.
Brian viene por ahí ahora. Kevin.
Por ahí vienen. Finally,
Man, I'm pissed off.
they're coming to the rescue now.
Kike me dijo, no, vamos para
Para el río a bañarnos en el río, no bañarnos en la lluvia.
Oh God.
Dale, dale, dale.
Dale, vámonos.
Let's go. We're in the car now, guys. Safe and sound. Still wet, but well, he's not because he changed. But I'm still wet. The car is wet. And now that we're in the car, it's not raining.
No, because we got out of where we was.
What about that?
Look, dude, it was raining over there.
It was raining so bad.
Over there, and look at over
I
here.
got clips of
Look at that.
the rain.
And look at this. This place is bipolar weather. Well, guess this is the end of our trip.
For real.
Yeah.
And it ended in a very...
Similar way of our first vlog. So yeah.
It wasn't even our first vlog, I
It
think.
was our first vlog.
It was our first
It was our first
vlog.
vlog.
Oh God.
Yeah, we went to the.
I guess every time we
went to the
vlog,
lake.
we end up getting
We end up
rained
getting
on.
wet.
We end up getting rained on and running to the car.
Oh, there's the.
We're waiting
last-
on people because they're still trying to get on track with us.
I think so. Yep. Well, that's the end of the video, guys.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Peace.
Peace.